Hey Scott, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda in the Costco Auto Buying Program. Sir, just reaching out to you in reference to a recent online interest. One of our all-new Honda Insights. Actually, have one from our Crystal Black Pearl, cleaned up on the showroom right there. It's one of our hottest hybrid options that we have out for our 2019 model year lineup. And it's a phenomenal product. It uses Honda's patented integrated motor assist engine, and it's going to give you top fuel economy north of 53 miles a gallon in the EX model that you inquired about, and to get you great fuel economy in the city as well, using Honda's regenerative braking to help charge up your lithium-based battery that helps get you that top fuel economy. But Scott, just wanted to reach out to you. I'm a certified Costco sales rep here at the dealership. We only have a few of us, so I do work on an appointment basis. I'd love to give you some more information about the Honda Insight. You can reach me direct at 205-504-2358, and I make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.